Hi everyone! Welcome again to the Inside Spot, where questions get popped and truths get dropped. I am Jane Makalintal, your go-to HR mischief maker. And today, we're catching HR pros, students, and employees off guard with sharp questions and zero time to think. No scripts, no filters, just real talk and unexpected truths. Ready or not? Here I come!
Hi everyone, my name is Dana Esferio Emano from HRMGT 2101.
So, ito ang iyong question. Since you're a second year, do you love your HR program and what has been the biggest or toughest challenge you've faced as an HR student?
Sa umpisa, nung first year, bago-bago pa lang, hindi ko siya masyado nagugustuhan since bago pa lang sa akin yung course. And then habang tumatagal, parang mas nagugustuhan ko na siya kasi yung course pala na to, it's about pakikihalubilo, more on pakikihalubilo siya sa mga employee. And then yung biggest or toughest challenge dito is yung kailangan mo matutunan talaga kung paano mag-adjust sa iba't ibang environment. Hindi lang dun sa isang area, kundi kasi makikihalubilo ka sa iba't ibang uri ng tao. So, kailangan mo talagang mag-adjust. Pero, all good naman.
So, ayan, thank you for sharing po yung iyong toughest and I hope na by the second sem is maging successful and makarating ka sa third. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hello po everyone, I am Francia Miti Brandes from Human Resource Management 1102.
Since your first year, do you love your HR program and what has been the biggest or toughest challenge you faced as an HR student?
Actually po, my biggest subject po kasi is actually business, major in marketing. So, yung major po, major biggest challenge po na face ko as HR is yung new environment and new knowledge po in this course. So, since new environment po, nahihirapan po ako mag-adjust po and sa new subjects din po. And since hindi ko nga po talaga wala pa po akong exactly knowledge sa human resources, nag-a-adjust po ako po now.
And thank you and I hope na by the next step is mas madali na para sa iyo at makapag-adjust. And I hope na maging successful. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Good day everyone, my name is Rain Armaniego from HRMDT 2101 and second year na po.
So, ang iyong question is, among the different majors in business administration, what made you choose human resource management?
Pinili ko po ang HR kasi mahilig po ako sa psychology at business at the same time. Ikaw yung tulay sa organization ng mga tao. Kumbaga, gusto ko kasi yung nakikisama ko sa mga tao. Gusto ko yung pakikihalubilo, gusto ko yung hahawakan yung mga tao. Kaya feel ko nung pinili ko yung HR, parang bagay ako sa field na yon kasi parang mabilis ako maka-adapt sa mga tao. Kumbaga, mabilis ko silang makaklose. Kaya pinili ko yung HR kasi feel ko para dun talaga ako sa field na yan.
Hi everyone, I'm Princess Micaela L. Almazan, a second-year student from HRMGT 210.
So, since you're a second-year student, what advice would you give to lower-year students to maximize their HR course experience?
Siguro yung mabibigay kong advice sa kanila is yung actively participation sa mga class discussions and group activities kasi ayun yung pinaka para magbi-build ng communication skills nila and mag-participate din sila sa mga activities dito sa school na may kinalaman sa course nila kasi 'di ba as an HR iba't iba yung tao na makakasalamuhan natin, different cultures, different religions. So, kailangan natin na maunawaan yung bawat isa na hindi lahat tayo is pare-pareho yung ugali, yung pinagmulan. Ayun, yun lang.
So, thank you po for sharing the advice.
Sige po.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Escala and I'm from fourth year 4102.
So, ang question niyo po is, how do you plan to stay updated on HR trends and practices after getting your degree?
So, as a hoping graduating student, so ngayon nagbabrowse na ako sa mga HR FB group at saka dun sa mga meron kasing mga halimbawa yung Nestle, may example doon ng mga website sila na saan nakalagay doon yung mga news and about sa HR nila. Usually yun ang ginagamit ko ngayon. At yun doon ako kumukuha ng mga trends at kung paano maging updated as an HR. So, yun.
Thank you po, and I hope po is makagraduate po and maging
I hope
successful
din.
HR. Thank you
Thank
po.
you.
At first, she found the course BSBA major in Human Resource Management difficult because it was completely new to her. However, little by little, she started to enjoy it, especially the challenging parts. One of the biggest challenges for her is the need to socialize, since interacting with people is a major responsibility in HR. She also learned that being flexible and knowing how to adjust is important because she will be dealing with many different employees in the workplace. Adjusting to a new environment was not easy for her at the beginning. She struggled at first because the subjects were unfamiliar and she did not yet have enough background knowledge about human resource management. She chose HR because psychology and human resource are both close to her heart. For her, HR serves as a bridge in business. She enjoys working with people and communicating with others, and she feels that she can easily adapt to different personalities and build connections quickly because she is approachable and friendly. Her advice is for students to be active in class and participate in group activities since this help build strong communication skills. She also encouraged joining school events related to their program, and it is important to understand one another and remember that everyone is different. To stay informed, she browses HR-related Facebook groups and pages. She also visits company websites, such as Nestle's, where HR news and updates are posted. These help her stay updated on current HR trends.